আমার নাম দেবস্মিতা চক্ৰৱৰ্তী। আমি গুৱাহাটীতে থাকি, গুৱাহাটী আছাম। তো মই ইয়াতে অসমতে ইয়াতেই মোৰ জন্ম হ'ল, ইয়াতেই মই ডাঙৰ হ'লো আৰু বৰ্তমানে মই ইয়াতেই চাকৰি কৰি আছো। So hopefully everybody has got it. I introduce myself in Bengali as well as in Assamese. It was in the year 2017 when suddenly I had a mental and emotional breakdown, and I had to visit. I had to take psychiatric counseling for that. I had to take medicines for that. So yes, my problems more than physical were mostly mental and emotional. Maybe the responsibilities got too much into me because I come from a family which is slightly dysfunctional, and we have had our own set of issues. Yeah, my temper, my anger was a big issue with me. Sometimes I would even have tremors in my body. I started having problems, in my office, doing my regular work. I would feel sleepy, I would get drowsy, बहुत लेथार्जिक हो गई थी। जब मैं इमोशनली किसी चीज के साथ, सिचुएशन के साथ डील नहीं कर पाती थी, फिजिकली तब वो दिखता था, लाइक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंजाइटी अटैक्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैल्पिटेशंस, ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज। मुझे बस पता था कि डॉक्टर जो मेडिसिन दे रहे हैं वो ठीक है, सही हो सकता है अपनी जगह में, बस उसी से काम नहीं होने वाला। I need something beyond, something more than that.
And then your journey started at Cosmic Abundance Hub. फिजिकल लेवल से शुरू करते हैं। फिजिकल लेवल पे हमारे में क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस आए, देन वी गो फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल लेवल, बिकॉज हर चीज आपने कवर करी है पिछले 30 to 40 days में।
I came across your course on Instagram, and immediately the word cosmic just, I got connected with that. The very first day, जब आपने समझाया कि there is a mind-body connection and all that, what yoga is all about. I just knew that I am at the right place. ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल सही जगह है, and you are the right person to guide me. So since तो बहुत सारे changes आए, तो क्योंकि धीरे धीरे मन ज्यादा शांत होने लगा, मुझे एक डायरेक्शन मिलने लगा that how मेरी दिनचर्या कैसी होनी चाहिए, how I should lead my regular day, how I should what kind of thoughts I should put inside. तो इसके साथ फिजिकल चीजें होने लगे। इससे पहले जो मेरे साथ स्टमक इश्यूज हमेशा रहते थे, ऑन एंड ऑफ। टच वुड, I haven't had that since. It's been all these days. I have not needed the help of any medicines or anything, any stuff. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Anxiety issues, depression issues, we don't know what we are doing. And that's why yoga as an adjunct therapy is very, very powerful in such issues. This is such a big lesson I've learned in ashram. If you do not know yourself, you will never know anything in the world. There's no point, because everything starts with you, and you are the creator and manifester of your life. चाहे diseases हो, relationships हो, health, wealth, abundance, money, success, जो भी कुछ हमें चाहिए, everything starts with ourselves, and this is exactly my goal, is to help more and more people learn who they are so that they can reach who they want to become. So 30 years went into that anxiety because of family issues. So if you guys are also struggling through any of those challenges like Debashmita has overcome, अगर आपके जीवन में भी किसी भी तरह का चैलेंज है, there is an answer to every problem. I invite you for an amazing journey with us all together. Okay, see you in my workshops at Cosmic Abundance Hub. Namaskar. Namaskar, hello and welcome to all of you to another exciting episode of Cosmic Abundance Hub, जहाँ आज हम बात करेंगे with देबोश्मिता चक्रवर्ती from Guwahati, Assam. देबोश्मिता काम कर रही हैं एक बैंक पे, एक नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक पे, and has a very beautiful life in a beautiful city, but with challenges as always. So आज let's start with Debashmita, and I think Debashmita would introduce in her local language. So we also hear Debashmita in the local language. So Debashmita, would you like to introduce yourself in your local language in a few words?
Yeah, namaskar everybody, good afternoon. আমার নাম দেবস্মিতা চক্রবর্তী। আমি গুয়াহাটিতে থাকি, গুয়াহাটি আসাম। তো মই ইয়াতে অসমতে ইয়াতেই মোৰ জন্ম হ'ল, ইয়াতেই মই ডাঙৰ হ'লো আৰু বৰ্তমানে মই ইয়াতেই চাকৰি কৰি আছো। So hopefully everybody has got it. I introduce myself in Bengali as well as in Assamese.
Okay, so what exactly were your challenges when you joined the Cosmic Abundance Hub program, Devashmita? And give us little insights about who Devashmita is.
Well, Devashmita Chakraborty, for the world, she is a banker who is working in a bank. I am the eldest daughter in my family. We are 3 sisters, and I'm the eldest of all. So always I have been the responsible one, the one who is looking after the needs of the family, the needs of parents or the sisters. And somehow I mostly connected with that part. Mostly I could resonate with being the responsible eldest daughter of the family. But somewhere down the line, maybe the responsibilities got too much into me because I come from a family which is slightly dysfunctional, and we have had our own set of issues. So इन सब के साथ डील करते करते कभी कैसे मैं खुद ही थोड़ी सी खो गई, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स खुद मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स में मैं फंस गई. I just didn't know, I didn't even realize about that. And it was in the year 2017 when suddenly I had a mental and emotional breakdown, and I had to visit, I had to take psychiatric counseling for that. I had to take medicines for that. It is during that period that I realized that something was amiss in my life, something was not right. So yes, my problems more than physical were mostly mental and emotional. And to go a little further into the background, I had always been quite temperamental. Yeah, my temper, my anger was a big issue with me. For a long time, I didn't consider that to be an issue because we come from a family of temperamental people. Everybody in here, out here in our family has temper. And so बचपन से ऐसा ही देखा, मेरे पापा को देखा, मेरे अंकल्स को देखा, बुआ उन सबको देखा, मेरे मम्मी को, सभी का टेम्पर है, सभी का टेम्पर हाई होता है, तो वो they blurt out, they say things, and that's how the usual life was. Honestly speaking, today when I look, in the hindsight, when I look, I realize that this is not actually my real self. I never actually liked this. Because ज़्यादा टेम्पर शो करना या फिर ज़्यादा गुस्सा दिखाना या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बोल देना, उसके बाद मुझे कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. I never felt good about myself. Sometimes I would even have tremors in my body. I would get so carried away with the situation that I would have tremors in my body. I would start shaking. Even though nobody could see it, nobody could sense it, but I could feel it.
So it's like an anxiety attack?
So anyways, yeah, an anxiety attack, which I realized much later on. Before, पहले तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि ये होता क्या है, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, क्यों हो रहा है. But हाँ, समझ आता था कि कभी-कभी कुछ situations में things are not going right with me. Okay, if I get too emotional, if I blurt out too much, if I get too temperamental, too angry, then it has negative ramifications for me. So I could at least get that part. But still मुझे लगता था जिंदगी ऐसी है, सब ऐसे है, तो मैं क्यों अलग रहूं? I must be like everybody else. And that's how the cycle continued. It went on and on and on. Till, as I said, in 2017, I needed medical help for that. And that was an eye-opener for me. I realized that things were not right, that the way I had lived my life before, I had to change that. It was necessary that something is done in that regard. So, of course, at that time, the psychiatric treatment continued for some time. But I started having problems, in my office, doing my regular work. I would feel sleepy, I would get drowsy, बहुत lethargic हो गई थी. जो प्रॉब्लम अभी भी है, कभी कभार मुझे अभी भी होती है, but a lot, I have recovered a lot from that. So yeah, I would get lethargic, कुछ काम करने का मन नहीं होता था, I would have concentration lapses. So all these were the major problems. Physically, मुझे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. फिजिकल इश्यूज तभी आते थे जब मेरी इमोशनल इश्यूज, व्हेन दे केम टू द सर्फेस, जब मैं इमोशनली किसी चीज के साथ, किसी सिचुएशन के साथ डील नहीं कर पाती थी, फिजिकली तब वो दिखता था, लाइक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एंजाइटी अटैक्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ palpitations, breathing issues, in all that form. And another issue that I always had was that of stomach issue. अचानक से out of nowhere सब कुछ ठीक है and I have an upset stomach. Okay, or I have a bloated stomach and I feel uneasy and uncomfortable. So this was all because of the anxiety. So yeah, after that, what I did was that I did an Art of Living course. I had already heard about that from many people before, had seen it on TV, and I just realized that I needed something like that. मतलब अंदर से जो आवाज आती है कभी, मुझे बस पता था कि डॉक्टर जो मेडिसिन दे रहे हैं वो ठीक है, सही हो सकता है अपनी जगह में, बस उसी से काम नहीं होने वाला. I need something beyond, something more than that. So yes, I did an Art of Living course, happiness course किया, then advanced course भी हुआ. Then I did some traveling, went out with my friends, changed certain things in my life. I did included more exercise. Exercise, walks, and all those things in my schedule, and that brought about some really necessary changes. I started getting more happy. I could see those changes. However, around 2019 or so, जब चीजें धीरे धीरे ठीक होने लगी, मुझे लगा कि it was just something, it was just a fluke, ऐसे ही हो गया था कुछ, and I can now go back to my earlier way of life. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. And धीरे धीरे I again started going to the earlier ways, adopting the past behaviors, the past paths and all that.
वो छोड़ना शुरू कर दिया आपने?
पूरी तरह से नहीं. फूड हैबिट्स में कुछ हद तक यस, हाँ, जहाँ मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए थे, कुछ ज्यादा हेल्दी फूड ये इंक्लूड करना शुरू किया था, वहाँ मैंने थोड़ा और ये कर दिया, थोड़ा लैक्सिटी आ गया कि चलो ठीक है, कब तक हेल्दी फूड ही खाते रहेंगे, थोड़ा let me just enjoy my life. जिंदगी कब तक है, I'm still young, so let me just enjoy. So that was one. And then वो anger वो फिर से आने लगा. हाँ, those things. Even though कुछ चीजें तो बदल गई थी, but I could see myself again going through those, being that temperamental Devashmita. And as I said, the situations in my house have always been a little troublesome. So those didn't help either. वहाँ से एक support जो मिलना चाहिए था वो नहीं था, कि कोई समझाने वाला हो, कोई राह दिखाने वाला हो कि यहाँ पे तुम गलत कर रही हो, ये सही नहीं है. तो इसीलिए it was easier to revert to the earlier way of life. And then problems again started resurfacing. Once जब मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं शायद सब ठीक है, तो उसके बाद अचानक से again problems started resurfacing. And that's when I knew.
So you were taking medicine all this time और medicine छूट गया था बीच में?
मेडिसिन मैंने काफी पहले छोड़ दिया था. 2017 में अराउंड 3 months मैंने मेडिसिन लिया, उसके बाद से मैंने मेडिसिन छोड़ा है. तब से आज तक मेडिसिन नहीं लिया. आई हैव ट्राइड अदर वेज बट आई हैव नॉट गॉन बैक टू मेडिसिन.
And then your journey started at Cosmic Abundance Hub with the team of Cosmic Abundance Hub and family, right? So now let's go on there and वहाँ से हम शुरू करते हैं कि वहाँ से अब जो नया लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन शुरू हुआ, जो कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट मिलना शुरू हुआ, उसके बारे में लेट्स लर्न. तो इसको हम ऐसे रखेंगे, फिजिकल लेवल से शुरू करते हैं. फिजिकल लेवल पे हमारे में क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस आए, देन वी गो फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल लेवल्स, बिकॉज हर चीज़ आपने कवर करी है पिछले 30 to 40 days में. Yeah. So let's start with the physical transformation.
So
you could see within 5 days workshop जब join किया होगा, within 5 days only, what were the changes you were seeing so that you continue to the next level?
Yeah. I came across your course on Instagram. So Instagram सर्फ करते करते एक दिन बस इसके बारे में देखा. And immediately the word cosmic just, I got connected with that. I could see a connection. तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मेरे योगा मेडिटेशन में इंटरेस्ट मेरा आ ही चुका था, तो मुझे लगा कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई शुड ट्राई, मुझे ये करना चाहिए. तो आई एनरोल्ड इनटू योर कोर्स. द वेरी फर्स्ट डे, मतलब जब आपने सब समझाया कि यू नो देयर इज अ माइंड बॉडी कनेक्शन एंड ऑल दैट, यू नो व्हाट योग इज ऑल अबाउट, आई जस्ट न्यू दैट आई एम एट द राइट, ये मेरे लिए बिल्कुल सही जगह है एंड यू आर द राइट पर्सन टू गाइड. सो सिंस तो बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए. फिजिकल चेंजेस, यस ऑफ कोर्स. मैंने जैसे कहा, मेरे फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आर कनेक्टेड टू माय इमोशंस, माय साइकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज. तो क्योंकि धीरे धीरे मन ज्यादा शांत होने लगा, मुझे एक डायरेक्शन मिलने लगा दैट हाउ मेरी दिनचर्या कैसी होनी चाहिए, हाउ आई शुड लीड माय रेगुलर डे, हाउ यू नो आई शुड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थॉट्स आई शुड पुट इनसाइड. तो इसके साथ फिजिकल चीजें होने लगे. इससे पहले जो मेरे साथ स्टमक इश्यूज हमेशा रहते थे, ऑन एंड ऑफ. टच वुड, आई हैवंट हैड दैट सिंस. You know, it's been all these days. I have not needed the help of any medicines or anything, any stuff. It's amazing. It's beautiful. So yeah, that is the greatest change. I had then, apart from that, मुझे weight issues ज़्यादा नहीं था. I was never concerned with my weight. But ये था कि I would always accumulate fat, you know. मेरे लोअर एब्डोमेन में या फिर आर्म्स में, वो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. आई डिडंट लाइक दैट. नो, इट डिडंट लुक हेल्दी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द फास्टिंग दैट वी डिड एंड द वे आई हैव चेंज्ड माय डाइट सिंस, आई हैव बिकम वीगन सिंस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो नाउ आई एम सीइंग दैट माय बॉडी इज कंप्लीटली इन शेप. So yeah, I was on, you know, where I saw a lot of physical transformation, lot of healthy physical transformation. So, and the most important one is that learning that how, you know, what kind of food suits us. Before that, this realization was not there.
Right.
सब कुछ खा रही थी, जो भी अच्छा लगता है खा लेती हूँ, ठीक है. But then realizing के, you know, our body works a certain way. Our body demands a certain kind of nutrition for this, for it to work properly. And so knowing that and being happy in that knowledge. So that is one of the biggest transformations, you know, physical transformations that I have.
Good. Going on to the mental level now, because you had anxiety issues. Did you also go through depressive phases in life?
Yes, definitely. Yes, of course. It started with that.
So we have seen the stress, the anxiety and depression, all the three deeper levels, and now we have come back, right? Have you come back now to the regular life? So वहाँ पे हमारे को क्या challenges? How did the classical yoga techniques, the cosmic energies helped us in mental level of rebalancing our mindset?
Yeah, it helped a lot. It helped a lot because, as I already said, my major issue is with my emotional issue, the psychological issues that I face. Okay, everything actually springs from there. So हर चीज, हर प्रॉब्लम की शुरुआत ही वही से होती. तो वो जो खाने का जो ये था, खाने की लत थी कि कुछ ये खाओ वो खाओ, वो भी इसीलिए होता था क्योंकि मुझे एंजाइटी था. तो कुछ खाती थी तो वो फॉर दैट मोमेंट दैट यू नो इट मेड मी फील हैप्पी, इट सैटिस्फाइड मी, ओके, फॉर दैट मोमेंट. लेकिन फिर से दोबारा कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ ही जाते थे. वो गुस्सा, वो एंजाइटी, वो आ ही जाता. यू नो दैट फीलिंग ऑफ नॉट बीइंग इनफ, कि मैं जो हूँ आई एम नॉट इनफ, कि मैं सही नहीं हूँ, that I'm a misfit. Yes, this is the word that has stayed with me for a long time since school. I have considered myself a misfit. कि मैं इस दुनिया के लिए बनी ही नहीं. That I don't belong to this place. That people are different and I am completely different from them. The way I think, the way I behave, the way I work. So what classical yoga and the various processes that I learned here, you know, from the mantras that we did, okay. Everything has helped me so much that अभी मुझे पता है कि I am enough. मैं अलग हो सकती हूँ दूसरों से. I may be different. I may have my own way of thinking, but still I am enough. Since I am in this world, there is definitely a reason behind that. There is a purpose behind my life too. Of course, I'm still yet to find out that purpose, but I know that there is a purpose behind my life. And I should not feel that I'm lagging behind others, that I'm not as good as others. So, yeah, that has been one of the greatest benefits of this course. So emotionally, I no longer get angry as easily. In fact, I hardly get angry nowadays.
Good.
Yeah, it is one of the biggest things because अगर होता भी है कोई कुछ बोल भी रहा है जिससे मुझे गुस्सा आना चाहिए या फिर कुछ फील हो रहा है अंदर के हाँ गुस्सा आ रहा है, एटलीस्ट मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. That I can take a pause there.
It's no more just a reaction.
Yeah.
It's a response now.
Yeah, it's a response now. Before, I also had issues with my communication. कि गुस्सा आता था तो just बड़बड़ करके कुछ भी बोल देती थी without thinking what I am saying और उसका क्या consequence हो सकता है on the other person as well as on myself. So now I know कि नहीं, the communication has to be right. If the other person is doing something wrong, yes, I have to communicate it to the other person, but it has to be done in a particular way, not just by shouting or not just by raising my voice. You know, it's rather I should
of yoga helps us to bring that gap in between. You know, पहले आ रहा था कि एकदम से कोई चीज हुई, हमने response दे दिया, अपना reaction दे दिया. Now you have that little gap to think because you are doing the meditative practices, the mind practices जहाँ पे हमने mind को control करना सीख लिया. So there is always that good gap between the action and the reaction, right? So that's where बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है because anxiety issues, depression issues, we don't know what we are doing. And that's why yoga as an adjunct therapy is very, very powerful in such issues. And you have got results. I'm happy about it that now you're able to understand this angle also कि मैंने सोच समझ के response करना है because उसके बाद फिर stress create होता है otherwise. अगर हम कुछ गलत बोल देते हैं then उसका reverse हमने ही pay करना होता है. And that creates more anxiety. That's beautiful change.
I have seen that. I have been on the receiving end.
Coming on to the spiritual also, a lot of spiritual transformation I have seen in you because you are more inclined to understand universe, energies and the spirituality. So वहाँ का कुछ अनुभव हमारे साथ share करो.
Yeah, I would say कि बचपन से मुझे mythology, spiritual ideas ये सब मुझे बहुत पसंद. जब कोई माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरी कुछ सुनाता था या फिर टीवी में श्री कृष्णा देखना ये सब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता. एंड इवन लेटर ऑन लोग जब कुछ स्पिरिचुअल बातें करते थे मैं चुपचाप सुनती थी उनकी बातें समझने की कोशिश करती थी इवन तो मेनी टाइम समझ नहीं आती थी बट सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. या सो what I've realized through this course is that spirituality is deeply ingrained in me. कि मुझे पहले लगता था कि ये सब बुढ़ापे में करने की चीजें होती हैं इवन तो मुझे अच्छी लगती थी बट आई थॉट कि हाँ इसका एक एज होता है after a certain age you can indulge into these practices because I've always seen people in their old age doing more puja part talking about all these spiritual things and people my age I hardly saw them indulging into any such acts or activities. So I was like, follow the crowd, be like them. People your age hardly think about such stuff. So why do you have to think so much? And then I realized during the course, even before it, the realization थोड़ा तो उससे पहले भी था. But through the course, I could connect with that energy inside me beautifully. I knew that spirituality is not related to age. It is not related to time. It is just related to your own self. It is related to the realization of being, of being an energy yourself. कि मेरे हाथ में सब कुछ है, मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. That is what spirituality is all about. And today, now I have reached a state where whenever I face some situation, some problem anywhere, be it at home or outside at office or anywhere, I know I just put the question to myself. That the Devashmita inside. Okay, what is this problem trying to tell you? What is it trying to teach you? And how you should now respond? What you should do ahead? What you should do forward? So this has been the best of the transformation because I am simply loving this new spiritual Devushmita. Because it is not about rituals, it is not about knowing customs and traditions, it is about knowing myself from inside. It's beautiful. Yep.
Know thyself, you know, बचपन में हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे know thyself, know thyself.
Know
And that always stick to my mind, know thyself. Okay. And this is such a big lesson I've learned in ashram. If you do not know yourself, you will never know anything in the world. You know, there's no point because everything starts with you and you are the creator and manifester of your life. चाहे diseases हो, relationships हो, health, wealth, abundance, money, success, जो भी कुछ हमें चाहिए, everything starts with ourselves, and this is exactly my goal, is to help more and more people learn who they are so that they can reach who they want to become. You know, जो वो gap तो हमेशा रहेगा ना, we want to become something but we don't know where we are and what we are. So hopefully in all the courses, you've done the 5-day course, you've done the 30-day challenge, and now you're into the Yog Rahasya course. And the journey has been कैसी रही? Easy रही? Let's have for this will help those who are waiting to get on to the courses. So how is the journey at Cosmic Abundance Hub, and how was your journey? Let's be specific on that.
Journey easy रही. In simple terms, journey easy रही. 9 days fasting को लेके बहुत सारे doubts थे. I had asked you a lot of questions because fasting करना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. Before I could hardly fast. मतलब अच्छा ठीक है 2-3 घंटे शिवरात्रि का कुछ फास्ट करना है, किसी तरह जल चढ़ा के आना और खा लेना है कुछ. मेरे लिए फास्टिंग वही था. So, but even before doing the course, I had started doing the Ekadashi fast. I had already done 2 Ekadashi fasts before that. And with that, मुझे इतना समझ में आ गया था कि ठीक है मुझसे होगा, मैं कर लूँगी. So as I said, the journey has been easy.
Good.
Yeah,
what were the ups and downs different times? You know, of course it will not be easy. There will be lows also, and how did the team really help? Because I really want to understand the teamwork here. क्योंकि पहले आप अकेले fight कर रहे थे 2 साल पहले तक, and that's why you even went back. Now you have got the team support, the group support, and we have created a good family of people around us from around the world. So how has that helped in your journey?
The team support has been amazing. You know, each individual has been so inspiring. Their stories, their actions, and you know the steps that they are taking. You know, towards dealing with their issues, their problems. That has been so inspiring. So, सबसे बड़ी problem तो मेरी fasting में ही आई थी. So like during the fasting, I felt a lot of emotions coming out. I could feel energy. I was feeling a lot of loss of energy and all that. But during that time, the team was like my biggest inspiration because I saw them they were going through the same challenge and they were so upbeat about it. So सभी मतलब कुछ ना कुछ दे ही रहे थे, कुछ ना कुछ सही अच्छा बोल रहे थे, कुछ ना कुछ इंस्पायरिंग एनकरेजिंग बोल रहे थे. एंड कैसे वो 9 दिन पार हो गए, फिर उसके बाद मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Today it is I'm at such a stage कि मुझे फास्टिंग अच्छा लगने लगा. मैं खुद ही कर लेती हूँ. मैंने डिसाइड कर रखा है कि हर सैटरडे को मैं फास्ट करूंगी. And I do that. और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. मैं ऑफिस भी कर रही हूँ, मैं काम भी कर रही हूँ. Everything is fine. Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. हमने अपने आप को see, all of this has helped you to create your self-discipline, which was the goal of the course. कि मेरे खुद का एक mental, physical, emotional, spiritual हर level पे एक discipline होना चाहिए हमारा. You know, so I'm really happy and proud that you have evolved in just 30 to 40 days, which is just a short period. You know, you've spent 2-3 years into those anxiety and depression, medicines, and being lost. And just 30-40 days has changed your life tremendously. So I'm really happy for
just to correct you, sir. I have spent my entire life being anxious. My entire life. Depression was 2-3 साल. Anxiety तो all throughout.
कितने साल के हो गए अब आप?
33.
33. So entire life means 30 years लगा. Okay. So 30 years went into that anxiety because of family issues, जो valid reasons आपने बताया, a lot of dysfunctional family issues and all those issues, and I understand that creates a lot of trouble for a child to grow physically, mentally, and emotionally in all the ways. And you've come that far, established yourself, and now you're restarting your life with strong spiritual foundation, strong cosmic energy foundation. All the best to you for your coming life ahead, Devashmita.
Thank you so much for being my guide. Thank you. I don't know where I would have been without you today. So big thanks to you.
We have a long journey ahead, and a lot more people should get inspired with this interview, with your inspirational here, because so many people are struggling with the same issues, with whether health, wealth, relationship, money, anything. Everything leads to stress, anxiety, and depression, and becomes irreversible sometimes if the right environment is not given. So we together are working on helping others and inspiring, and hope this also inspires a lot of people. Thank you for being a part of the show, and our journey continues. We are learning so much, and there's more to learn. Namaskar.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So if you guys are also struggling through any of those challenges like Devashmita has overcome, अगर आपके जीवन में भी किसी भी तरह का challenge है, there is an answer to every problem. I invite you for an amazing journey with us all together. Okay, see you in my workshops at Cosmic Abundance Hub. Namaskar.